In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of faint print on an HP LaserJet P1102 after the customer has installed a new toner cartridge. The print is faint on one side, and we can rule out the toner cartridge as the cause because it has already been replaced with a new one. Remember, you can easily determine whether the issue comes from the toner or the printer. Just try printing with two different toner cartridges. If the print quality is still faint or shows the same defect, then the problem is not the toner. In this case, the issue definitely comes from the printer itself. Faint print issues are usually harder to fix than black smudges or the grinding noise you sometimes hear when repairing printers. Once you've ruled out the toner cartridge as the cause, the first component you should check is the scanner unit, also known as the Polygon Motor. Remove and clean the Polygon unit thoroughly, because over time, dust and toner residue can build up and cause faint prints, and in some cases, the page may come out with no text at all. Now I'm going to remove the Polygon unit to check if there's anything unusual. It turns out the Polygon unit is dirty. Use a medical cotton swab to clean it thoroughly, and be gentle to avoid scratching the mirror surfaces inside. Note: do not use any strong cleaning chemicals for this process. Open and close the cover 5 times in a row, and the printer will automatically print a test page. After cleaning the scanner unit, the print quality is now clear, sharp, and even again. That means we've successfully fixed the issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to support Tech Fix Everything's. Feel free to like, share, and leave a comment below if you need any help or want more tips and tutorials. In the next part, I have a bonus section for you. Since this printer is quite dirty and has accumulated a lot of dust, I decided to disassemble it to clean the outer casing and the paper feed assembly to ensure smoother and more reliable operation. Stay tuned, this section is also very helpful for new technicians and personal printer users. After watching, you'll be able to clean your own printer at home easily and safely. I'm going to remove and inspect the paper clutch as well. After long-term use, the foam pad inside often deteriorates or breaks down. Many people refer to this part as the paper separation relay. When the foam pad is damaged, the printer may pull multiple sheets at once, even if you only print a single page, and it can also cause paper jams. Watch how I fix it. It's a very simple process. Just clean it thoroughly, then use a thin piece of plastic, apply high-quality double-sided tape, and stick it in place to replace the old pad. Simple, right? In my previous videos, I usually used material taken from a damaged transfer belt from a Ricoh photocopier to make this pad. However, in this video, I want to show you an alternative method using a thin piece of plastic, which works just as well. This pad helps the paper separation relay operate smoothly. When electricity flows through the relay, it pulls the pad in, and when the power is off, it releases it easily. Because the pad eliminates static, the relay can open and close accurately and reliably. And here are the results. The printer is now clean and looking great. And the print quality is sharp, bold, and perfectly even again. Thank you for watching. Please support the channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, and leaving a comment letting me know where you're watching from.